Hello, and welcome to this vocabulary lesson. Language bridges gaps and transcends boundaries. Language enables connections between diverse cultures and individuals. For this reason, individuals seeking to embark on the journey to master the English language can look forward to opening doors to communication, understanding others, and improve their personal growth. One pivotal element in this linguistic journey is the cornerstone of effective language learning acquisition. So, how do we acquire language? In this lesson, it is tailored especially for you as an English language learner, one that is striving to enhance your English speaking abilities. In this lesson that is tailored especially for the English language learner, these are individuals who want to enhance their linguistic ability. Together, we're going to explore the intricate vocabulary word acquisition. This is where I will offer practical strategies and crucial suggestions. As you may know, the English language is a rich tapestry woven from a myriad of words, each word holding its own unique meaning, its own unique history, and the variety of shades and expression. For many learners, the path to building a robust vocabulary can be both exciting and scary. While English presents an extensive palette of words to choose from, the art of selecting and internalizing the right words necessary to be used in conversation requires thoughtful and strategic consideration or methods. You may be asking or wondering, why is vocabulary acquisition so crucial? Imagine having a palette of colors without the ability to blend them into an intricate painting. Similarly, a comprehensive vocabulary empowers you to articulate your thoughts, engage in meaningful dialogues, and comprehend complex texts seamlessly. This process transcends mere word accumulation. It is more than jotting down words in a book, never to visit them again. What it does involve is harnessing the potency of language to articulate your ideas effectively and establish profound connections with others. In order to make that connection, it is a good idea to have an enriched vocabulary. It doesn't mean that you have to have thousands and thousands of words, but it is the ability to use the words that you do have appropriately. I want you to remember, you are not alone. There are many other language learners who are going through this process right beside you. Numerous individuals embark on this quest to enhance their language abilities, and a plethora of strategies have been crafted here to help you along the way. So, whether you are aspiring to excel academically, as a professional, or as a casual speaker of English, the suggested strategies that I'm going to present are all designed to help you implement the tools and give you insight into the vocabulary words that you will be using. Now, in the upcoming sections, I'll dive deeply into the range of spoken and proven strategies tailored to meet your needs as an English language learner. From the potency of contextual learning to the use of mnemonic devices. Each strategy is carefully designed to address the challenges that you, as an English language learner, may encounter while expanding your vocabulary. I'll also help you uncover the magic of forming associations between words and concepts, the significance of exploring word families and synonyms, and the value of integrating new words into your writing and conversations. I'll also emphasize the importance of regular reading and writing as exercises, not just for the language practice, but also for broadening your horizons. One integral facet of vocabulary growth is practical application. Engaging in conversations with native speakers and other learners provides opportunities to put your vocabulary to the test. These interactions offer constructive feedback and reinforce your learning. It fosters greater fluency and confidence in your language proficiency. Therefore, as you embark on this journey of vocabulary enhancement, keep in mind the power of patience and consistency. Learning new words is a marathon. It is not a sprint. Setting attainable goals and celebrating your progress. Nurture your curiosity. This will all contribute to a sustainable and gratifying language learning experience. At the end of this lesson, you will have gained a deeper appreciation for the multifaceted nature of vocabulary acquisition and armed yourself with an array of approaches to enrich your linguistic abilities. So, let's commence this exciting expedition into the realms of words and language mastery, where each new word propels you toward improved communication, stronger connections, and elevated expression. And don't forget, amidst your exploration, enlisting the guidance of an English coach to further accelerate your progress and practice is constantly available to you on this remarkable journey. Let's take a look at contextual learning. Instead of memorizing individual words, focus on learning words within their context. What does this mean? This means understanding how words are used in sentences and paragraphs. Be sure to read English books, English articles, and watch English movies or TV shows to observe how words are used naturally. Next up, we have the use of flashcards. If you were to create a digital or physical flashcard with a target word on one side and perhaps put the definition or an image on the back side, this will help you immensely remember the words. Frequently review these flashcards to reinforce your memory. Another strategy would be to use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices helps you to create associations between new words and familiar concepts. These associations can help you remember words more easily. For example, the phrase, as soon as possible. The mnemonic device used there is ASAP. Without anyone mentioning it to you, most people will recognize ASAP as soon as possible, which means to do something quickly. Now we have word families and synonyms. When we learn related words within the same word family, or the root, and the synonyms of that word, we are starting to embrace the opportunity to broaden our vocabulary. Let me give you an example. If you learn the word happy, also learn the word happiness. Learn the opposite of happy. which would be unhappy. When you start to do that, you're building a larger vocabulary to interchange words when you are speaking. Now we have words in a sentence. Whenever you encounter a new word, write down a sentence using that word. This helps you understand its usage and to remember it in context. Over time, create a personal collection of sentences using the words you've learned. I cannot overemphasize the importance of reading and writing on a regular basis. The consistency of making reading in English a daily habit will provide you with opportunities to see how words are used in different contexts. But remember, choose material that is interesting to you and it challenges you with vocabulary building. Write journal entries or essays or short stories using your new vocabulary. Number 7 is engaging in conversations. Frequently engage in conversations with native speakers or people who speak English or just your fellow learners who are also learning to speak English. Practical use of new vocabulary in real conversations reinforces your learning. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback when you're speaking with someone if it appears that they don't understand the meaning of what you want them to know. Number 8, I want you to set achievable goals. When you set achievable goals, that could be daily or weekly, you will determine how many vocabulary words you wish to learn in a day or week or a month. This could include learning, for example, 5 words a day. Being very specific about what it is that you want to do and learn will help you determine whether you are reaching your goal. Finally, I want you to have patience and consistency. Know that learning vocabulary takes time. Be patient with yourself. It is the consistent practice that will yield effective results, as opposed to cramming a lot of words in a short period of time. Remember to review previously learned words regularly. Try to use these words regularly to prevent you from forgetting them. This takes us to the conclusion. I want to say thank you for participating, listening, and taking notes, hopefully, in how to build your vocabulary in a solid manner. Mastering vocabulary as an English language learner is an ongoing process that requires dedication and the use of the right strategies. You will need to consider focusing on contextual learning. You could use flashcards that would allow you to create associations with other words, and engage in various language activities such as writing and reading to build a strong vocabulary on a gradual basis. This will enhance your language learning skill. It will boost your confidence and the use of English effectively. To continue the process of daily learning, consider joining the Daily Conversation membership. There you will meet with a plethora of individuals who are going through the same thing that you are, building their vocabulary one word at a time. The details to contact me to get enrolled in the Daily Conversation membership is below. So I look forward to speaking with you again. Good luck on your journey, and I wish you continued success. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the U.S. Bye for now.